Placencia roundabout. All right.
Why?
We're passing the South Stafford Bridge. The South Stafford Bridge. And we are heading down to the Placencia Junction. Placencia Junction. South Stafford Bridge. We're heading to the Placencia Junction. We still have this peloton of six.
Right? Why?
We will charge 3 G4 and 2 other guys. All right.
I was there.
They are at the hard place area. Yeah, so coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Right? Oh, coming in hot.
I be able to jump. I be able to jump.
They were passing by our work. For anyone who like the picture of my work. Yeah, they pass by our work.
I have somebody going.
The right side good?
Yeah, right.
No, the person my center. Oh my God. Good. Okay, okay, all right, keep back.
Yes, well,
How you feel? You ready?
Well, ready.
You look excited.
Well, I'm happy. Well, I'm happy. Where we go back?
Well, I'm so talking to my man.
We don't have marriage here, Margaret. Hey, Wally, you're going to have marriage here. All right, have marriage
Yeah, let me go and let me try stuff right now. We could turn back and get some nice and beautiful. Alright? Yeah. We turn along, see everything like last year, Chief. Right by the side.
No.
Yeah. Cameraman, the camera next to you. Let the pull right up, let the pull right up on the side. Alright, good. Well, wait for the rest of the cyclists then. Right there. No, I said like last year, Chief. Last year, I went in the park. No, last year, I had a park. So I said the same thing like last year. All right. Yeah. Don't worry about it. We said something like all right, well, we're not doing nothing bad. We're going again. All right.
We're not
cameraman done eat while he biscuit. Energize up. So the man up on the right track. Right track.
We're not wait until the chase come. We're going.
Well, the chase group, they come, we want to feature them there too.
Yeah, we want to check.
Right? Everybody
will want to see, and
yeah,
people
man.
want to see that too.
Yes. Well, you said the right thing. The people want to see that too.
People want to see that?
All right, good. So we're looking good and we're doing well.
Wonderful.
Beautiful, huh?
Beautiful Sunday.
All right, happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Yeah. I'm sure. No. How are you doing this, man? Son.
So we know the
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers from DYFA, right? For Nadia's Cultural Shed. And we're here at the Placencia Roundabout witnessing the 4th annual Nadia's Cultural Shed race. Yeah. And we're returning in a few and we're heading directly back to Nadia's Shed, the Cultural Shed.
Let me tell the people.
When we reach back, we will have great entertainment. You know, we'll have big prizes where we are to give away. All the station prize, first, second, third for the elite, the female, the juniors, the category A, B, and C for the Guns Weekend Warriors. All of them we will give out. And it's important to make our people come and just witness it. All right? This is a big race. As a matter of fact, from my recollection, we never have first prize at $800, you know, for the elite. We ever have that, Miguel?
No.
We are 800.
We did at 5, right?
We are 500, we are 700, but now we did at 800.
What?
So this is a big race with great prizes. All right? So we are still here at the Placentia roundabout. Who do we wait for?
We wait for the rest.
The rest? Okay, the chase group.
The chase.
The guys were the chase.
Yeah.
All right, and we done there about 1 minute, no?
Yeah.
So it's obvious that
I get it like 2 more minutes.
No, it is obvious that the guys they're about a minute and a half behind.
Yeah, they come.
They are about a minute and a half behind. It is obvious.
Yeah,
all right.
More than a minute and a half.
We,
3
minutes.
3 minutes. Over 3 minutes. All right. You see, the media is working together. We have as the wheel turn, Erdonis and company. Respect, guys. Thanks. Yeah. Go and get the names. Go get the names. See the pen there?
Go get the names.
You
want me to send, brother?
No, not send them.
Yeah. Lead group names. Get the lead group names. The 16 man where they are from.
Watch it, you know. All right. The chase group. Watch the pace. Watch the pace. A great pace. Great work. Chase group here. Man, stand up. The front. This race is not over, you know. It's over 3 minutes, like I said, and it's not over. It is not over. All right. It is not over. All right. Now the thing is, it is strange that Brandon is behind. Brandon normally at the front. Brandon is normally at the front. All right. Running rebels. That kind of guys are kind of separated. Their groups are kind of separated. You know. Yeah.
Regal is here assisting us with this commentating.
Yes, man. But he's playing his role, doing a great work with us. They're not a job, you know. It's just a work. Yeah. Job and normally get paid work for free sometimes, right? All right. So yeah. So we have Regal assisting us with the commentating, and then we have nephew Fonto. He have a father. That when the Father's Day next month.
Next month.
All right, June.
He's waiting for that.
He wait for that. And actually they celebrate mother, his baby mother. We're celebrating Mr. Dex, Mr. Garbut. Yeah, and then guys, and you know, then are some of the guys who really support cycling, you know. All right, they support cycling big. Then guys, I just come up and say we want to give something. But they're great guys. All right. So we're still here at the roundabout. We love the roundabout. We love cycling.
I see young SMC with a shades on now, man. That's a cycling look.
Yes. Young SMC doing a great job too, man. He's doing a great job. All right. He's doing a great job. We are halfway. We're at the Placentia Junction, so we're about to turn around now.
No, we're heading back.
All right, we're about to turn around. And some of the guys who make cycling possible, I wish that we could get a word with them, Chief, because then are the guys who will call you and tell you why we want to give something towards this place, you know. And just like where Jack said, he have people who, Mr. Adonis, he have people who just sponsor him. All right. And these are some of the guys, the brother we met this morning. You are live on DYFA 91.7 FM. We do video and we do audio. So can we get a word with you guys? I mean, we don't look like guys who like them on the front page, you know, but we have to really respect and honor you guys because we don't make cycling happen. I look on just relax. Look like young boy. Huh? All right. If you can get a word, man, I mean, where do you come from?
Good morning. My name is Glenn Fredericks. I'm a future cyclist. I used to ride in the 70s. Myself and Adolf Cabral, which is next to me. We were teammates back then. All right. So we both live in America, different states, but we meet here for cycling.
For the racing agreement too?
Yeah. So
all right.
This is a brotherhood.
Yes. And we just make cycling happen, like we just love cycling. Well, now I know that all the cyclists, farmer cyclists.
Yes.
Right? And we just want to big up on our guys, giving them recognition. That's why we're glad on the stop because we don't understand. I unite chat group and Mr. Jax every day. Normally just put at least something in there for inform me. And we just want to say thanks. No one big up manners or nobody. Like this is not really for it, you know. This is Mother's Day, you know.
Happy Mother's Day to my beloved wife in New
York. Respect.
And likewise to Dolfo's wife in LA.
All right. Respect, man. We glad to hear from you. You want to say anything, you know? Don't make nobody talk for you, know? Tell your wife Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to my wife in Los Angeles.
All right.
Alda Cabral.
Yes.
My name is Adolf Cabral.
Mr. Cabral.
Yes, I'm promoting a race the 6th of September.
Yes, 6th of September.
Yes.
All
Miguel and Williams brothers.
All right. Yes. I see the prize this man and big prize. We don't got big prizes. I don't want to compare it to no other race, right? Because we're not. But,
Get there, just hard work.
yes, sir. All right. Well, we just want to say thanks, man. I'm glad that you not stopped. Our pleasure for you know, on make cycling possible and keep up the great work. And hopefully,
I got my cap too, right?
yes, you go cap. Hey, great about giving to you know.
That's what it is.
All right.
Wait,
All right.
got it? We're
Mr.
sporting
Jackson.
them in the front.
All right. Good. Yes, sir. All right. Thanks, man.
All right.
We love and respect.
Thank you, gentlemen. Have a
All
good
right.
one. See you at the finish
Yes,
line.
sir.
There you have it. You're looking good.
All
guys.
right. Respect.
Looking good.
Yeah, man. All right.
That
Now
was
we
it.
move
That
on the
was-
passenger junction.
That was it, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna give these people their props, right? While they have it, while we have the chance, right? Thank you very much. Are we going now to Hopkins? We're gonna meet these guys at Hopkins.
We're going to do a slow drive to Hopkins and maybe we'll stop at Maya Center and because the people support cycling a lot.
All
And
right,
maybe
good.
we'll say hi to one of them folks.
All right,
You know, we'll just take a slow time and then go
Yes.
because we are rich. You
Yeah,
know,
we'll take a break now, ladies and
break
gentlemen.
off right now.
Break off. We see
All
you at
right.
Maya Center.
Drink while you coconut water. All right, good.